Yamaha has emphasized from the previous year that the future and development of the Yzf-R1 superbike will be completely focused on racing and track use in Europe. And the Yamaha Yzf-R1 Race 2025 is the embodiment of this commitment. Taking a step closer to the Yzf-R1 Grand Prix engine that inspired the R1's aesthetics and technology, the R1 Race is equipped with MotoGP bike-inspired aerodynamic winglets, upgraded suspension, and an all-new Brembo braking system to offer the ultimate riding experience on the circuit. But don't worry, apart from releasing the latest new Yzf-R1 Race for the 2025 Superbike engine homologation, Yamaha also released a road version of the Yzf-R1, and not forgetting the latest Yzf-R1M model year 2025, which also adds a pair of winglets on the front of the fairing. The latest model of the highest sports motorbike from the Iwata manufacturer can still be paved on the roads in North American countries through dealership's official Yamaha Motorcycle USA. Yamaha Motor Corporation, United States, officially announced updates to the Yzf-R1 and Yzf-R1M models which aim to improve aerodynamic performance, motorbike handling, and also the braking sector. The update is the addition of new carbon fiber winglets for both models, technology developed through extensive testing on and off the track by Yamaha's factory MotoGP racing program. Additionally, the standard version of the Yzf-R1 gets a completely redesigned KYB fork and Brembo Stylema monoblock front brake calipers. These calipers are paired with a new Brembo master cylinder to offer exceptional stopping power. The electronics part is also similar to the race version with a 6-axis intelligent IMU, which helps the rider control the movement of the motorbike on the road. Winglets, the new carbon fiber, not only add to the R1's sleek, aerodynamic appearance, but also create additional downforce for improved front-end feel when braking or cornering. In addition, Yamaha's most exclusive top-spec Supersport model, the 2025 model year R1M, immediately stands apart with its distinctive color scheme, swingarm aluminum polished and full carbon fiber body, which blends perfectly with Winglet's new carbon fiber for an aggressive, track-focused look. With limited production, the engraved serial number emblem further emphasizes the exclusivity of the R1M for consumers. Along with the same advanced performance provided by the CP4 998 cubic centimeters inline 4-cylinder crossplane engine, comprehensive electronic suite, and lightweight aluminum delta box frame found on the standard R1, its capabilities are pushed to even higher levels on the R1M with the addition of Öhlins electronic racing suspension, where data from the motorcycle's IMU is supplied to suspension control unit, dedicated to quickly adjust front and rear damping in real time for optimal suspension performance, both when braking, cornering, or accelerating. ERS simplifies suspension setup by providing efficient dynamic setup modes for road and track, as well as a manual mode for more conventional suspension setup. The price of the Yzf-R1M in the United States is sold for $27,699.